Hi friends, I am Sumanjana. I am a UPSC aspirant. UPSC is not only an exam to test your intelligence, but it is a test to your memory, adaptiveness to various situations and handling tremendous stress and also maintaining consistency in your approach towards your goal. Despite of having enormously vast syllabus, we can't distinguish between what to read and what not. Even in markets, we have lots of sources which confuse us what to follow. Sometimes we might get stuck at some point or go out of the prescribed syllabus. So we need a perfect strategy, timetable, mentorship to monitor our progress. I will suggest you Analog IAS Academy, which I joined coaching this year. This institute has provided me with a timetable and correct strategy and mentorship program. Along with this, we have a program called APPSC, which is a daily, weekly, fortnight, monthly and quarterly test to check our progress both in objective as well as descriptive, and helps us to memorize in a long run and also keep us prepared exam ready for both prelims and mains. I am from middle class family, so paying complete fees at once will be a burden on my family. But with ASTRA, the test, which is a scholarship program, I joined the coaching here in Hyderabad. It is an objective based test, contains general studies and current affairs. One can avail benefit up to 50% of their fee. Through this institute, I not only benefited from teaching and mentoring but also in my communication skills. The faculty and staff over here are student friendly and responds to students' needs as fast as they can. Even this year, we have the ASTRA test. So if you are interested in joining IAS coaching, you are always welcome.